Hi guys, welcome back again today for AsaWinner Mommy Comedy. So today we are going to be doing competition. We have our yogurt. Winner is having two. Winner is having one yogurt. I'm having two. So we have 20 euro here because I'm the big mommy. Is our AsaWinner small girl. I don't go say make we mute and share two. So I'm going to be drinking two and she will take one. So whoever finish first within 3 minutes will win this money. 20 euro. Guys, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Make sure.
I'm finished.
You have finished or finished? Bilitana, zoom here. Show them. You got a check, a chabelle, going bad, one, okay, from. Clean it very well. Clean it very well. Look at my own. You clean it very, very well. Nothing will remain. I will this one. Asa is the winner. Asa, I tried. I tried. See my own. See remains small. Wow, Asa is the winner. Bravo. Asa win go. So Asa win on. Take your 20 euro. Take your 20 euro. So Asa is the winner. No worry. Next time I'm going to win. Remember, I drank two and you drink one. So guys, thank you so much. If you make me happy, if you will make you happy, follow this page, like and subscribe. Share this video. So AsaWinner is the winner. Hey! Champion.
Bye.
Bye bye.